In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set hourly rates in Goodday. Setting accurate hourly rates is really important if you want your project budgets, invoices, and reporting to reflect the real cost of your team's work. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in a Goodday and what to fill out so that each user has the right rate assigned to them. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday account and you're on the main workspace. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually either your photo or your initials. Click on that profile icon to open up your personal menu. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you can control most of your personal and organization level configuration options. Once the Account Settings page opens, look for the section labeled Human Resources or HR. Go ahead and click on Human Resources to access the user management area. Inside the HR section, you'll see an option called Company Users. Click on Company Users to view the full list of people in your organization's Goodday workspace. This is where you'll choose which user you want to update with an hourly rate. Now, from the list of company users, find the person whose rate you want to adjust. You can usually scroll or use search to locate them more quickly, especially if you have a large team. Once you've found the correct user, click on their name to open their profile details. Within the user profile, look for a tab or section called Billing and Finance. This is the area where billing-related information is stored for that specific user. Click on Billing and Finance to open the settings for their rates and other financial details. On this screen, you can now type in the relevant information. This typically includes the user's hourly rate, and depending on your setup, you might also see fields for internal cost rates or currency. Take a moment to double check that you're entering the correct values, and make sure the currency and formatting match how your organization tracks finances. When you're satisfied with the details you've entered, scroll down if needed and click on Submit. This will save the hourly rate and apply it to that user's future time entries and financial reports. That's all you need to do to set hourly rates in Goodday. You can repeat these steps for each team member to keep all your billing and reporting accurate